Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today in this tutorial I will show you how you can set the width of the strip. So as you can see, I have a hero banner or a first section or a strip. This is the first strip in the side of this page. So in order to set the margins of the strip from left and right, of course, it's kind of a padding as well. So you can also call it as a margin or padding or both. So as you can see, it is set to 80. That's why you can see it is taking the white background. So if you just set it to space, it will take a middle. You can see this is the grid line of the center. It has taken it to the center. So you can select or do what you want according to what you need or something. Then I will just show you how you can increase this more. And if you click on this just to the end, as you can see, the 190 pixels of margin. Basically, it's in pixels and it is the limit of 190, and if you put to 0 it has taken covered all. There is no margin on padding for the strip from sides. So this is how you can do it, and you can drag it like this or just put in any number or the pixels you want to give. So for now I'm just giving 0. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you understood the way I told you or explained you. So stay tuned for more such videos, and I hope you enjoyed and liked the video. So subscribe to our channel. Thank you.